Hello everyone. In this video, let us discuss about plant hormones. Plant hormones are called phytohormones. These are diffusible chemical substances other than nutrients produced naturally in plants, which regulates the growth, development, differentiation, response to environment, and a number of physiological processes. These are commonly called as growth regulators. The plant hormones are generally synthesized away from the region of action. Five major types of plant hormones are auxins, gibberellin, cytokinin, ethylene, and abscisic acid. Three of them, auxin, gibberellin, and cytokinin, are growth promoters. Ethylene is gaseous hormone which plays a dual role. It promotes the growth as well as it inhibits the growth. Abscisic acid, which is called as growth inhibitor. Auxins. Auxins are weakly estic plant hormone. These are synthesized in growing regions such as shoot tip, young developing leaves, and seeds. Natural auxins are indole ester acid 2,4-D and naphthalene ester acid. Naphthalene ester acid and 2,4-D are herbicides. Major function of auxin are they bring growth of cells. Due to growth of cells, the growth of plant we seen, auxins are also used in horticulture for inducing root on cutting plants. These are also helpful in plant movements like phototropism. They prevent the premature falling of leaves and fruits. Phototropic movement increased auxins on dark shady area, lesser auxins on light area. It causes more growth in shady area, causing it to bend towards the light. In opposite manner, in roots, lesser auxins promotes growth in root and higher auxins inhibit growth in root. Gibberellin are weakly estic plant hormones present in nodal region from where leaves are raised. Gibberellin promotes the growth in stem and leaves by cell elongation in internodal region. Increase size and a number of fruits also due to gibberellin, which helps fruit more yield. It promotes the malt production in barley seedlings. Seedless fruits, flowering, and seed germination also because of gibberellin. Cytokinin, these are mildly alkaline plant hormones. Cyto means cell, kinin means division. These are synthesized in root tip from where they reach the stem. Functions of cytokinin are cell division, differentiation of tissues, delay in aging of plant, opening of stomata. Abscisic acid is mildly acidic in nature. This is growth inhibitor. So, abscisic acid, which promotes aging and wilting of leaves, flowers, fruits, closing of stomata, it checks the excessive transpiration. Ethylene is a gaseous hormone. Ethylene is formed by all parts but mostly in fleshy fruits. Ethylene promotes the transverse growth and inhibits longitudinal growth, essential for ripening of fleshy fruits like banana. It breaks the dormancy also.